If you're experiencing pending transfers on your PlayStation, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your PlayStation is connected to the internet. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and selecting Network. Test your connection to confirm that it is stable. Step 2. Restart your PlayStation. Sometimes a simple restart can fix pending transfer issues. Turn off your PlayStation completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Clear the cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve various issues. To do this, turn off your PlayStation, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This will boot the system into safe mode. From there, select the option to clear the cache. Step 4. Check for system updates. Outdated software can cause problems with transfers. Go to Settings, select System Software Update, and check if there are any updates available. If so, download and install them. Step 5. Reinitiate the transfer. If the pending transfer is still an issue, try to reinitiate it. Go to the section where the transfer is pending and attempt to start it again. Make sure to follow any prompts carefully. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfer issues on your PlayStation. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.